Hi, it's Julie here and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will give you a breakdown of 5 ways on how to make extra money on eBay. So I have been self-employed for about 4 years now, and I mainly sell handmade party decorations on Etsy and eBay, but also I sell other things on eBay as well. I am not claiming to be an eBay guru, but I have been selling on eBay for many years now, so I do feel like I have the skills to speak on this platform, and I think it would be really helpful for anyone who wants to make extra money on the side as well. You could even become really good at this and turn it into a full-time job, who knows. I hope this video will help you out, as I truly believe that everybody has the potential to make money from home and not necessarily have to be an entrepreneur to do that. Please like this video and subscribe if you want to see more of these type of videos in the future. Okay, so let's begin. So number 1 is selling the things you have at home. I'm sure everybody has things at home lying around that they could get rid of for extra money. Things such as ornaments, toys, jewellery, shoes, anything that could be worth some money. The key here is to do some research on each item that you find, and you'd be surprised that even something that's 10 years old could be worth some money. Some items you have at home may even be considered as vintage or antique piece. I remember when I first started on eBay, I was selling the clothes that I had because I used to have a bad habit of shopping for clothes, and I did manage to get some money back for it, which was really good. So I would really highly suggest you look around your house and see what you can get rid of for some money. Number 2 is online arbitrage. This means that you source the items online and then you sell it on another platform such as eBay. First ask yourself, what is your niche and what do you have some knowledge about? Is that toys? Is it certain designer brands? Is it trainers? You don't have to know everything in order to start, but once you're comfortable with a niche, then you can try and find out where you can source these items for cheap and then mark it up and sell it on eBay for more profit. You can even find some of these items on eBay as well if you looked hard enough. It's even better if you can find products that are high in demand and you can repeat them easily, as this would generate a regular flow of money. Just to give you an example, it could be packaging bags, it could be paper cups, it could be batteries, the list just goes on. By the way, I would really appreciate it if you can click the like button down below, as this will help my video reach out to more people. Thank you. So number 3 is retail arbitrage. This means you have to go out and physically shop for these products and then sell them on eBay or other websites. Now I must admit that this is the least favourite way of me selling on eBay, as I prefer everything to be sent to me and then I list them and then store them away. But I do know that some people prefer to go out and source for these items, because there are a lot of good items out there that are marked down from the sale, which you could pick up and resell it again. With retail arbitrage, you do have to shop around quite a lot, and it would be helpful to have a vehicle for that as well, and that's something I don't have at the moment. But if that's something you might be interested in, then try it out. It could be shops such as like Boots, they sell beauty products that are marked down, or even Argos when they have a promotion going on for toys. Just do a little research on it and see if this is something you would like to do. I remember I used to shop around for toys quite a lot, and I did do quite well at the time, but eventually I just got really tired from it all. So now I focus more on online arbitrage. A thing I would like to point out is anything you buy, you do want to try and flip it as quick as possible, as you don't want your house to be cluttered with all these things that you've bought, unless you have a big storage space. Now we are on to number 4, which is charity shops and car boot sales. I quite enjoy shopping around charity shops and car boot sales because it's like trying to find treasure. I have learned a lot over the years and I'm still learning as I go along. But if you are a beginner, then I would suggest you buy something that you're familiar with, that you know you can sell for more profit. And I also think it has to be something you have passion about, otherwise it will feel like a chore. I personally enjoy selling handmade party decorations because that's what my main business is about, but I also love buying coats and dresses because they are my favourite thing to dress and photograph. But find what you enjoy taking photos of, because that's really important. And when you buy these things from charity shops or car boot sale, make sure the item is in good condition, as you don't want the buyers to have any reasons to return the item. And if there are any defects, then make sure you mention them in the descriptions so that they are aware of it. Nowadays, I only tend to go for items that I know that will sell for more profit, and there are two reasons for that. Number one is storage space, which is something I don't really have. And number two is that I don't want to waste so much time sourcing for things that don't give me much profit in return. So basically, if an item doesn't have £10 or more in profit in return, then I won't bother picking it up. And number 5 is handmade products. So this is what I specialize in, is handmade party decorations, and I do really enjoy selling it because it's something that shows my creativity, and also it can be repeated easily. So it's not like it's only one item, it gets sold out and then that would be it. If you are quite creative, then why not look into things such as making party favors, candles, gift boxes, greeting cards, or even gift sets. You can even sell digital products such as flyers and invitations. So when the customer makes a payment, you just send the files over to them. And this is great because it also saves you time from physically sending the actual item. There's so many ways you can make extra money, you just have to put your mind to it. So those are the 5 ways on how to make extra money on eBay. But I do want to mention a few important things for you to think about. If you're just starting out on eBay, then I would suggest you don't overspend your money on stock. Start a little and then build it up. When you know that something works and it sells, then use the money that you've made to reinvest in more stock, and then keep repeating the same thing. The more inventory you have in your shop, the more chances of you making more money on eBay. And I do think keywords and photographs play a big part in whether you sell the item or not. And make sure all the specifications are filled in. I mean, I could do a separate video on that in more detail. Also, make sure you charge reasonably for postage and packaging. It's important to package everything nicely and making sure you dispatch it on time. This will help you build an excellent feedback, and you can build your profile from there. It's all about customer service and trust, even though sometimes customers can be a pain. But yeah, ideally you do want to work with them and not against them. And eBay loves it when sellers are constantly working on their shops, whether that be listing an item, revising the listing, taking more photos, or even doing promotions. From my experience, as long as you work on your eBay shop, eBay will favour you and try and rank your listings higher in the search pages. I really hope these tips will help you make extra money and not grind so hard with your 9-to-5 job or suffer being unemployed at home. Please do let me know if you would like me to do any more eBay related videos, and if you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comments down below. I would love to know how you all get on, and please like this video and subscribe to see more money making tips in the future. And just good luck, and I hope it all goes well for you guys. Bye.